Have you ever been working in Google Sheets when you notice that some columns are wider than they need to be and others are not wide enough? And so maybe you learned that you can hover your mouse over the right-hand side and resize a column this way, or that you can right-click on a column and resize it this way and type in a number, but then you run into issues where maybe you missed some down here, and then you didn't really want to go through all of these manually and resize each one. So you can simply click up here on the upper left and then hover between any two selected cells, double click, and it will automatically resize your entire sheet to fit the largest and smallest options. At this point, you can still come back and readjust if you want to go ahead and cut off some of the really long ones. And then another thing to note is that if you have some columns where just the header is a lot longer than it needs to be, you can select the entire header here. Just click on this one and then come up here to text wrapping and click wrap. And then what you can do is you can manually bring this in. You can see this whole row here is now wrapped. And then we can come back up here, click again, double click again, and now it's going to resize according to that. And so now you can see this is sized to fit commission instead of the whole thing. Then finally wrap up, we can do a quick little formatting on this header if you like. You can change the background a little bit and change it to bold. And then another thing that can be very helpful is to freeze this top row. So you can click here to where the hand shows up and drag that down. Or if you do not see that or are having a hard time, just click View, Freeze, and one row. And then as you scroll down, that header row will stay visible.